The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for central St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, eastern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, until 11:30 a.m. EDT. At 1100 a.m. EDT, residents in the Warren area reported a tornado near Edwardsburg, or 7 miles northeast of Granger. Radar showed this tornado moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Sturgis, Three Rivers, Constantine, Centerville and Colon. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a tornado has been sighted by the public. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris,